Hi, it's me. This video is going to show you how to make this explosion box using the SVG template linked below. This is an empty box ready for you to fill with all your special things. In this video, I will go over how to use a score file, how to use a dash line file, and how to assemble the box. Let's get started. Prepare the score line file. For this video, I will be using Cricut Design Space. You can use a software that is compatible with your cutting machine. Click Upload to initiate the uploading process. Click Upload Image. The upload screen looks like this. You can either drag the file in this box or browse for it. I am going to drag the file in here. The file is called box_score. You will see a preview of your image and it should look something like this. Click Continue, then click Upload. When the file loads, you will see it all grouped together like this. While it's grouped, you can resize it to whatever size you want, and it will preserve the aspect ratio. To adjust the size to its intended size, adjust the size to 11.101 inches in height and 10.784 inches in width. Now that we have the size, ungroup the main layer. To ensure that you size it correctly, you can find a point of reference in the yellow square. The size will be 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches. Let's open up all the groups and review all the pieces. This is decoration for the lid. This is the lid. This is decoration for the box, which is sitting on top of the box base. For all the decoration, you can copy and paste as much as you need. I am sending the purple decor to the back so that we can see the box base and lid better. Click the lid so that it highlights the lid in the Layers panel. Click those funny looking lines within that group, then change the operation to score. So you click it and then you change it to score right over here. Now select the group header, then click Attach. Click the group header of this group or click the box base on the canvas. Click this funny looking line, then change the operation from basic cut to score. Click the group header, then click Attached. They should have two attached groups. The other groups are Decor. You are now ready to cut. Click Make and follow the directions on the screen. Prepare the dash line file. This is a blank canvas in Cricut Design Space. Click Upload to initiate the uploading process. Click Upload Image. The upload screen looks like this. You can either drag the file in this box or browse for it. I am going to drag the file in here. The file is called box_dashed. You will see a preview of your image and it should look something like this. Click Continue. Click Upload. When the file loads, you will see it all grouped together like this. While it's grouped, you can resize it to whatever size you want. To adjust the size to its intended size, adjust the size to 11.101 inches in height and 10.784 inches in width. Open the group to find the point of reference. Open up the yellow square group. Click on a yellow square. It will be 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches if the sizing is correct. Let's ungroup the whole thing and review the pieces. This is decor for the lid. This is decor for the box base. You can duplicate pieces as needed. This is the lid. This is the base box or the box base. The dashed lines will act as your score line and nothing in this file needs to be attached. This file is ready to cut. Click Make and follow the directions on screen. Assembly instructions. Here are all the pieces. The pink and cream are decor. The gray pieces are the lid and box base. This is the lid. All of the pieces of the lid fold in like this. Just go all the way around. Flip the lid over to add the decorative pieces. These are the cut pieces that come default. You can always copy more if needed. Use your favorite glue to glue down the pieces. Uhu glue is my all-time fave. The piece glued here will appear on the front of the lid. Right here. When the triangle pieces are glued here, it will appear on the side of the lid. Let's flip it over. Place glue on this glue tab. Then stick it to the side wall. This triangle piece folds in and it will help you make it more even. I'm going to glue it down, but at this point it's just optional. Repeat these same steps on the other side. Place glue here, stick it here, fold it in, then unfold it. Apply glue here to secure it. Now the lid is done. Let's work on the box base. Like the lid, all the pieces fold in. Work your way around the box base until you have folded the final piece. Place glue on this tab. This is where the lid attaches. Attach the bottom of the lid to the glue tab as shown. Be sure not to overlap the crease. Now we can fold in the box space as shown, and it tucks in nicely into the lid. Ta-da! I opened it up because I forgot about these decoration squares. I just put them on the 4 outer sides. You can make more for every side if you want. So this finishes up the box. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for your support. Enjoy your day. Take care. All right. Okay, bye.